just a mile from my home, and something very unique is happening tonight. It's a multicultural celebration. No plane ticket, just a short drive to the Farmers Branch Historical Park. The city of Farmers Branch goes back to the 1840s, and it's one of the earliest settlements in Dallas County. This park has been here a long time, way before the music, the crowds, anything like this. A place that once welcomed settlers is now hosting something much bigger. Gateway to the Globe brings together cultures from far and near, right here in North Texas. Each one bringing its own traditions, its own history, its own way of seeing the world. And for a few hours, all of it exists side by side. And even if you don't know exactly what you're watching, you can still feel what it means.
Medicine that I have here is called copal. It's the best way to cleanse ourselves, to try and clean our soul.
Some cultures here tell their stories with words, others through movement, through rhythm, color, and tradition.
This drum is the centerpiece, the heartbeat of our people, the beat of the drum, and it mimics the heartbeat of what we call Mother Earth. So these are known as the female athletes of the arena. You'll notice the quick footwork, the faster tempo of the drum, the spins, the vibrant colors. This is the women's fancy shawl. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are Indigenous ACE, which stands for Arts, Culture, and Education.
And in between, there are quiet moments here. Pieces of identity shared with anyone willing to stop by and look.
Today, I'm going to show you a meditation bowl. So we have a bowl and a rod. The main significance of this bowl is that it produces sound and it's used on meditation, as the name suggests. And also you'll actually feel the sound because of the vibration that it produces.
Pieces of identity found in the details, in the things made by hand.
So this is called rhododendron and it's a national flower of Nepal. You can only find this flower in the mountainous region. So anywhere that's hilly or cold, you find it. Otherwise, you don't see this flower. And it's not only flower, it's a herb. It's used for so many medicines. Nepal is a landlocked country. It's right in between India and China, so that's why we have features of both people. We can see varieties of people in Nepal. Nepal is known for Mount Everest, highest mountain of the world, and it's not only rich in the resources, but also in the culture, people, food. I suggest everyone to visit Nepal once in their lifetime to experience serenity. Thank you so much.
Some performances here, you don't just watch, you feel. Energy like this doesn't need translation. But not everything here is loud. Kids, families, people just showing up, not really thinking about where anyone comes from. They're just here to be part of it.
You've got all these different cultures, different backgrounds, but when you're actually here, it doesn't feel that divided at all. It just feels connected.
You don't have to travel so far to experience something new. Sometimes it's already here.
Here on stage is Mexico 2000 Ballet Folklórico.
And behind every performance, there's yet another story. someone eager to share where they come from.
Eritrea is called the youngest and the oldest nation. Why are we here? We wanted to bridge our community to others' communities, so that way we can tell them our stories and our culture, and we can learn too. Hopefully we're gonna have a coffee ceremony. We have tea, which I'm about to make in the next 5 minutes. I hope you'll come back and join the coffee.
Different cultures, different traditions, all showing up together, sharing something.
And for a few hours, all of this just works.
That's Gateway to the Globe, right here in Farmers Branch. See you on the next one. Until then, take it easy, step by step.